So now ngifuna uPinocchio, igama lika Pinocchio lifike sewukunganekwane.
No.
Benishintsha uPinati nathi uPinocchio. And thina uPinocchio siyazi ngamapopayi nayo movie.
Yeah, and he was a rapper. Pinocchio kahle was given to me as a rapper. Yeah, I was rapping at that time, but
so someone said it, and I keep on hearing you saying that I was given. Someone said it as well that you don't have to name yourself; they should name you. You find honor in it because of that's what they see in you than you naming yourself. Do you think that is important?
I think that's important because of njengokubizwa umama nobaba igama igama lakho nqobile.
Yeah.
Bayazi bona ukuthi which spirit has them at that moment and uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthini kubo. Mhlambe that name ibanikeza a meaning of what my life is going to be in some way. Because truly speaking ngitshela I do conquer Shem. I do conquer. Khona angengale ngumuntu ziyangihlula ezinye izinto elifini nami ngiaccept defeat. You know what?
Yes, le ayingangami. I mean, but even the best dancer knows when to leave the stage.
Yeah. But mawuphuma lapha uphuma ukuthi ngiyayeka ngidefeatiwe. Uphuma ukuthi you know what? I'll come back and this time I'll be 10 times better than the way I was.
I love that.
Yeah, so I think maybe now it was that. But I think the name imina more pure lona.
Yeah,
like yena master njengoba bathi ni master ngaliphiwa and emangiliphiwa ngal accepta ngalithatha ngathi you know what, maybe it's about time ngikhula ngiyeke lento leza ukuthi ngizibiza bo Pinocchio mangibona ucabanga ipopayi or something yabo uthi uzongena ngizipendile ngikhale lite lapha ya ne short le nedelela so at least it had to like come to an end, change it. Okay, now he's grown up and mara he's still doing what he does. Akaphumanga lento ayenzayo mara he's doing it in a certain way now. Ebonisayo ukuthi man.
But isn't difficult though, shifting from what you known of, like more for good time, my name is Master, like who that now when they know Pinocchio? Yeah. How has it been, that journey of you rebranding yourself with a different name?
Nah, it hasn't been hard because angisumuntu obewaba out there a lot of time. Even that time mangibiza ngoPinocchio bengaperform that much.
But for me, if begathe uDebta I'm coming with Master, I wouldn't have known who that.
Ngawusho kanjalo khona mangifika la izoba surprise ukuthi mina ngikwazi I think bebenza so ibe surprise. But yeah, it's just that impethu. So igama lela kaMaster leli ngaliphiwa uVirus.
I don't know who's Virus.
Virus. He plays the keys kunganekwane.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
He's a rapper as well. Yeah, so ngalithola kuye.
Siyabonga Gciwane.
So uGciwane uthemba ke busy nje. Master. So yabante ngoba uGciwane vele sho ukuthi into yakhe uba viral. Lavele la spreader and then nasekasi everyone was saying that. So I was like, you know what? Well, that is it again.
Yeah. And uMaster wakho mbhala ngoMASTR.
Yes. Cause baningi
Master.
You.
I hear you.
Baningi Master. You baningi sli. Just masters. Khona bambhala the same way.
I mean Master like inobu slaverish.
Oh, Master ne. But angithi
I love it.
It's how we express someone okwenzela something good.
Of course. And being a master, I think you need to earn it. So I believe that he called you that because of he knows what you've earned so far.
Yeah, maybe there's something engamenzela yona.
He cannot just put you on a hierarchy for no reason. So don't take that name for granted.
But mina ngithatha izifo ngathi he
is your master of everything.
No, not like that. Like ayishangazi man.
Go back and ask him. I'm giving you that task.
You know what? I'll go back, right?
Yeah.
Mangiceda ukuthola.
Yeah.
I'll send a comment. Ku episode yakho ngifake le comment ngithi uGciwane athi.
Yeah.
Ungibize ngale gama because of this and this.
Please, we need to know why, because I know that you play my instruments, right?
Yes,
Which is the best instrument that you play? Because I've seen you playing drums.
Yes.
Which one do you enjoy more? And that you know that you play best.
Okay, not about enjoying more. Okay. The one that I play best, I think it's drums, because I spent like years kulo.
Okay.
You know, I had to like sing while playing the drums, so I was forced to ngidlala that kind of way. So bengalali ngihlale ngithi ngirasela bomakhelwane bazwa nabuthi yo lo bhuti kanti wenzani nangaka. So I think it's drums.
And then which instrument do you enjoy more?
Instrument I enjoy, it's the guitar and the saxophone.
Oh, but yabo mina
Yeah.
shame Black Molly ngicela umnika. Black Molly can play that thing
The
uzukhale.
trumpet.
Trumpet.
Yeah.
So when are you enjoying sex?
Saxophone, yeah.
Don't put to enjoy sex, guys.
Saxophone. Yeah, ngcono sibizi isiZulu nesixhosa saxophone. Because it sound a bit weird.
But ibizwa nge-sex anyway.
Yeah,
But yabazi mina ke I can't wait to be in a space of someone odlala inqiyo. Do you know what is inqiyo?
No,
Umkhube, sorry, not inqiyo, umkhube. Uyawazi umkhube yini? Yabona lanto le yenziwa nge-pumpkin le yeselwa. Yabona lento yasemakhaya ukufaka amasi.
Abakhangayo, sorry.
Cha, le mabeqeda ukusenga inkomo.
Okay.
Or imbuzi and then bathathe lobisi lelo kunekhamba balifaka kulona elivalwayo ongikhulele lokushini.
Sli.
So kunalento ebizwa ine string esi1 and then bayishaya ngenyinto, so
okay.
I'm going to show it to you.
Yeah.
So mostly it's played by people who does the indigenous music. It's more like a guitar,
but with one string.
No,
mhlambe ngiyayazi because I follow my indigenous instruments.
So lanto leyana uyishaya nge-stick.
Okay.
And then inala isound iphuma kule yanto sina ngesixhosa sithi liselwa. Yeah, I'm going to show it to you.
Okay.
I even want to put one like as a tattoo. Like I love that instrument. Kuwonke ama instrument ndiyawuthanda umkhube.
It sound like in so like a reference in the sound of that instrument.
The thing is, the woman that sound right now in my let me. So every time xa ndicinga la umkhube, that woman sounds in my. Let me just show it to you. Umkhube.
Mkhube.
Yeah, ngesixhosa sithi ngumkhube andazi nge other languages.
Alright, but it sounds interesting.
Instrument. Yes. Okay.
You the color.
Yeah, but this guy udlala nangu umkhube.
Yeah, I've seen this instrument. Yeah, I've seen it when you workshop besiye like agiso by imida.
Yeah. I don't know what is it called in English, guys, ne? But ngesixhosa kuthiwa umkhube. So go and
it's like a bow arrow in
ingathi bow arrow that thing. Oh my god. So please in your experiment yakho ngicela uyongizamela ukungidlalela that thing.
If yatholakala because such instruments sekumele uye in a certain tribe or village to actually get it.